Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a window slide easily. This will be an easy tutorial for if your window is hard to open. So if you have one of these vinyl sliding windows and it's hard to open, you're pulling in, you're like, it's really hard to open, this is an easy way to make it slide more easily, okay? And the greatest thing about it is that it's 2 steps. You only need to do the first step, and the first step will usually work wonders. And then if that doesn't work fully well, then you can go on to the second step. And it's very, very easy to do. The first step is to inspect the track where it slides, and if that track is dirty, or even if it looks remotely dirty, or even if you haven't cleaned it in a while and it doesn't look dirty, but it's just been a while since you've cleaned it, you want to clean both the bottom and the tops of the tracks. So the bottom of where the window slides, and the top as well, very, very important, okay? Now, definitely more emphasis should be placed on the bottom because that is where the weight of the window is, but the top should get cleaned as well. What I do is I just use a very simple soap and water mixture to clean it, and then I just put water on it at the end. So what I have here is I have a rag, and on one part I have soapy water, and then the rest of this rag, like all of this, is just regular water. So I just start by wiping it with the soapy water. Okay, so I'm going to do the bottom, just like that. You really want to clean the track of the window, and oftentimes there will be a little bit of an indent. Make sure you get in that indent, okay? Just like that. So you can see I'm bundling up the rag like that, and I'm cleaning that track, okay? Then I'm going to wipe it with water, just like that, with just the regular wet part of the rag. Same thing, okay? And then we're going to do the top, so let me angle the camera upwards right here. Once again, I'm going to, at the top, you can probably get a little bit of a better view. I'm going to wipe the top of the track, which isn't as crucial, but definitely, because it only takes like 30 seconds, it's worth it. And then we're going to wipe it with just water. So we did it with soapy water, and then now just water. Now here's an important part, okay? Right now, while it's still wet, and it's still, there's still a tiny bit of soap probably on there, which is what you want, just a tiny bit. You want to open and close the window several times. And what that's going to do is now that's dragging that nice cleaning mixture onto this part of the track as well, okay? Just like that, all right? So continuing with the first step, open up the window and do the same thing on the other part of the track, okay? So right here, there's another part of the track that we couldn't get to before when the window was closed. We're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to clean, and make sure you're cleaning where the window slides. So right here, okay, where the window slides, you want to clean. And here's the thing, oftentimes this will get dirty from the outside. So even if your house is completely clean, this will likely still be dirty, which obviously, because of the outside air, it's, the dirt and dust on the outside, it's going to be dirty. So do the bottom like I just showed you, and then now we're going to do the top as well. Once again. So make sure you're tackling where the window slides. You're going to have to examine where the window slides. And that's where you want to tackle. I keep saying the word tackle. You're not literally tackling this. But that's where you want to clean, wherever it is that the window slides, okay? Now, that is the first step. Once again, you want to open and close the window several times, just like this, okay? Just to really give it some spreadage of the cleaning stuff. So that's the first step. And most of the time, that's going to work well. So right now, when I pull this window, it opens and closes really easily. It slides really, really well for the most part. Now, if that doesn't work to your liking, then what you're going to do, I'm just locking the window now so I don't have to worry about it later tonight. So I don't forget about it, basically. But what you're going to do if that doesn't work is you're going to go and buy a silicone lubricant. You want to specifically work with a silicone lubricant, not just any type of lubricant, but a silicone lubricant. That will work well with these windows. And you want to just spray just a touch on that track, the bottom and the top, while the window's closed, then open the window, and then the bottom on the top and the top when the window's open. You want to spray just a touch. We're talking about just a touch. That silicone lubricant, believe it or not, will last for a long time in helping the window slide more easily. So that is the second step. Now, to be honest with you, I myself never get to that step because after I clean it, the windows slide fairly well. The windows in my home aren't that old. They work really well. The air is fairly just clean as can be for the most part. As clean as can be in my opinion at least. So they slide really well with just cleaning them. But if it doesn't work, the next thing that I would do is I would spray a little bit of silicone lubricant. Like I said, not regular lubricant, silicone lubricant, to help it slide more easily. And all you need is, like maybe just a drop, and then spread it along here, and then a drop on the top and spread it along there. Not a lot. Just a drop, okay? That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.